Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product designed specifically for those who appreciate beauty and practicality combined. If you're a mature woman looking for the best mascara on the market, you're in the right place. Introducing the PROMETICS PrimeLash Mascara, crafted with you in mind. This mascara isn't just another beauty product, it's a game changer. Let me walk you through why. Firstly, PrimeLash is all about enhancing your natural beauty without compromise. It's hypoallergenic, which means it's gentle on sensitive eyes, a must for anyone who's experienced irritation from other mascaras. Applying it is a breeze. The specially designed wand combs through even the thinnest lashes, adding volume and length in just 2 coats. No clumps, no smudges, just beautifully defined lashes that stay put. What makes PrimeLash truly special is its nourishing formula. Enriched with vitamins, it doesn't just enhance your lashes for the day. It also supports their health and growth over time. Think of it as a lash serum and mascara in one. Now, how does PrimeLash stack up against other mascaras? Well, unlike many on the market, it's tailored specifically for older women. It addresses common concerns like lash thinning and sensitivity, giving you results you can see and feel. Longevity is key. PrimeLash stays on all day, resisting smudging and flaking. At $28, it's an investment in both quality and self-care, a small price to pay for lashes that look and feel amazing. So, if you're ready to upgrade your mascara game and rediscover lashes that defy expectations, look no further than PROMETICS PrimeLash Mascara. It's more than makeup. It's a confidence booster and a nod to timeless beauty. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, stay beautiful.